Howard from Martian Mathematics here again. Welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up a week's worth of scheduling classwork for your homeschool class in Google Classroom. Okay, so the tab that you're going to work with to schedule your lesson plan will be classwork. So we go into classwork. Now the first thing I like to do is I like to add my teaching material. So with Martian Mathematics we'll be using the teacher's guide. So what I like to do is I like to take this PDF and dump it into my Google Drive, and then I will attach it in classwork under lesson 1. But first we have to dump it into the Google Drive. So you see this button right here is the Google Drive folder. Let's open that up. And I've created a folder called Media where I'm storing this material, lesson 1. Another folder that I've created. And as you can see, I've already put this PDF in here. So there is my teacher's guide right there. I can open it up real quick and you can see it. Okay, so back to the classroom. I'm going to create, and I'm going to hit this button here that says Material. So this is just something you'll post to your stream that will have any material that you add. I'm going to call this Teacher's Guide. It will go under Lesson 1. And I'm going to add that PDF that we just looked at. So I'll go into My Drive, Classroom, Martian Mathematics, Media, Lesson 1. And I should find in here the Teacher's Guide. There it is. So now I've added it. Now I can schedule this for a future date, or I can post it now. I'm just going to go ahead and post it now, and we'll talk about scheduling for future dates in just a minute. So first let's have a look at how this will look. So I'll go into my stream, I'll be teaching my class, and I'll say, okay, well this is today, so I've posted this teacher's guide. If I click on it, it'll take me here. I can then open up the PDF document and I can look at it here. What I like to do is I like to hit print, which will take it to a new window, and as soon as the printer dialog comes up, I'm just going to hit cancel. But the document stays here in this new window, so that way I have access to it. I can view it on my tablet or laptop, and there we have the teacher's guide for the first week. Okay, and then we can go back to the stream and shut that down. And we'll go back to classwork. Okay, what I want to do next is I want to assign one of the exercises from Martian Mathematics. Now I've already chopped up all of the, so here's the Martian Mathematics student workbook, and I've chopped up individual exercises by copying, the pages. So I, for example, exercise 1.1 Roman numerals is 2 pages, so I would copy those 2 pages, and then I would create a new document from what I just copied and then save it. And I've already done that, and here we have it. So there's the 1.1 Roman numerals. It's just a single PDF file that has that one exercise in it. And I'm going to assign these to students. But before I do that, I need to go to configure the grading system that I'm going to use. So this gearbox up here, you click on that, click on the gear icon, it'll take you to this page here with class settings. Go all the way down to where it says grading. And where it says no overall grade, click the drop down menu and select weighted by category. We can show the students their overall grade, that's fine. Then I'm going to add a grade category. Okay, and so here I have to choose categories such that they add up to 100%. So I'm going to choose homework as one item, and I'll give that, say, 20% of the grade. And then I'm also going to have quizzes. I could just call it quiz. That'll have the remaining 80% of the grade. 80. That's not. There, it fixed it. Okay. Then I'm going to save that. Okay, now we can go and we can create an assignment. And this will be that first exercise we saw, 1.1 Roman numerals. And I'm going to add from my Google Drive that PDF document that we just looked at. My Drive 1.1, there it is. I'm not going to choose a category for this because I'm going to let it be ungraded. So I'll select ungraded in points. The due date, well, we'll make it due the day we assign it, which is going to be, say, the first Monday, because that's on day 1 of the course. And the topic, of course, is lesson 1. And then I'm going to schedule it to appear, that's fine, we're going to assign, at 8 a.m. on that same Monday. So the morning, 8 a.m., it'll appear in the stream. Students will be able to click on it and access it. Okay, and the next thing I want to do is I want to add the other assignments for the week, and I'm going to do that off camera. Okay, so I've added all the classwork up to Tuesday, these 4 assignments, and we'll look at the full scheduling in just a moment, but now we're going to add Wednesday's assignments, which are digital assignments, so they're work the students can complete on their laptop or tablets. So let's go ahead and create assignment again. This time we're going to add not a PDF document, but we're actually going to add a quiz in the form of, it's a Google form. So it's not really a quiz as in a test, but the first one is 1.5 easy addition. So we've attached the form. We'll type that in here, 1.5 easy addition. Now this time, this is something that we can grade if we'd like to. So there are 18 questions on this form. You can always check the form like this. If you go and you look at the form, you open it up and tell you total points. As long as there's 1 point per question, that'll tell you the number of questions. So we can distribute those 18 points here, and it will, when you input how many questions the student got right, it'll automatically convert to a percentage. And I could count that as the homework, for example. So it's really not the homework, because there's no homework at this stage, but we're going to count it as that. It's also lesson 1, and this will be due on maybe Thursday, since it'll be assigned on a Wednesday. And so we will schedule it to go out on Wednesday. Schedule. Okay, I'm going to add a couple more assignments off camera, and then we'll be back. Okay, I've added all the assignments for the week. You can see them all laid out here. We've got 2 homework assignments, one given on the Wednesday, and then one given on Thursday, and then a quiz given on Friday. Okay, in this video we looked at how to schedule a week's worth of classes from the Google Classroom. In the next video, we'll look at it from the student's perspective and also how to enter grades. Thanks for watching.